Hello everybody and welcome to the next daily recap with the Dada's trading system, TTS daily recap. Let me close this one. I'm gonna have to make myself a button for this. Maybe I'll have some time during the weekend. Anyways, so what happened today on the DAX 30 index that I trade? Well, we can see that basically after 3 pretty hard days of bearish movement, today the market went sideways. So basically it consolidated. Even though the day did end on the bullish side, I hope so. Well, there's still about half an hour of the day to go, but it looks like it's kind of consolidation inside bar. If we look at the daily candle, right, it's a kind of a harami inside bar. So this can mean anything. This can mean that the market can later, tomorrow continue down, or it can mean that tomorrow will be a correction upwards. Tomorrow is also the last day of the week and the last trading day of the month, right? So basically the monthly candle will be the monthly candle is bearish, but the lower wick isn't very big, so maybe tomorrow the market is gonna be building the lower wick of the monthly candle, or perhaps it's gonna go further down. Looking by the weekly candle, it looks much like this potential Marubozu candle, right? So perhaps there is no upper wick, and it's a long trending candle. The lower wick of the week is well, there is some, but who knows? Maybe tomorrow it'll go down, or maybe not. We'll see tomorrow. Anyways, today's daily range was about 252, 53 pips. And yeah, more on the consolidation side, like a churning candle, or yeah, not really a doji, but more closer to the doji. Was trading comfortable today? Well, not really. At least the ATRs on the M15 during the day were pretty big, and at some moments they were like almost wild, like 80 pips, right? 87, almost 90 pips. At other moments a little bit lower, but still on the high side, like even right here, 85 pips we can see, right? 100 pips even. Yeah, so yeah, ATRs were pretty big, and the structures, also the structures on the M15 were pretty long ranging, so pretty big, in big ranges. So it would mean that, for example, if we would be measuring this pullback right here, then this whole pullback was 158 pips. So basically, the upper potential take profit level is 241 pips from here, and also potentially 241 pips on the other side, but plus 158 overall right here. So that's like almost 400 pips, right? So that's not usually a context for day trading. So basically that's why I had to go down today to M5 and M15, M5 and M1 charts. So basically I was trading most often M5. I took quite a lot of trades today. As you can see, I was on the market today a bit earlier than usual, and I got in a long trade. So that's already during the Frankfurt session, during the opening of the Frankfurt session, but still before the opening of the London session. And now right here the price started moving pretty nicely upwards. Of course, typical, I was moving my stop loss level to break even plus, and I hit the label because I should be moving it on the other side so that I avoid the label, but somehow I hit the label and it got closed. Anyways, yeah, I mean, the market really went up pretty quickly then, so over the next 15 minutes, so I could have gotten a lot more pips, but yeah, whatever. Right here was another potential situation where I thought to myself, okay, so this is a good pullback moment. I mean, the price action right here looks pretty bullish. Here I closed manually because you see my stop loss is still right here, so I didn't even try to move the stop loss, so I just closed manually. I was quite satisfied with 20 pips, and I was even thinking of not trading anymore. Well, but the market started moving, and it was again moving pretty vividly, so I decided, and it broke the support. So I went in short, but I didn't like it. I didn't like the level I entered short, so I got out of it pretty quickly. Anyways, what happened later? We can see that the market recovered back, so broke out from the resistance this time, and now the resistance looked like support again. So I went in long. I wasn't expecting the market to do this, but there was some news today from the European Central Bank, and the market started kind of reacting right here. So basically, first it started moving down pretty violently. So I was waiting for a moment, but then I thought to myself, oh no, this, I don't like this. So I got out of this long. I didn't even wait for my stop loss, and I turned around at 100 lots, and I actually clicked on the label to close my 100 lots at profit, but it didn't give me profit. It actually gave me a loss. So I had the loss was at the same level as this short. So I had two times to recover. And I repeated again another 100, and I recovered the loss right here. Both losses, right? Because that one was very minimal in pips. It was just like the movement. We can't study that very well. It's not very possible to look at it. Okay. So we can see that the market did make a new low, right? Daily low, new daily low, and then it very quickly started going up. That's why I decided to get in another long right here. This time I got 20 pips, and the same thing happened. I hit my close label as I was moving because the close label is right here near the open price. So when I dragged and dropped my stop loss level to here, it simply triggered the expert advisor to close the trade. So yeah, again, I could have this time I could have even gotten my take profit level because the price went so quickly up. Anyways, I decided to get in again, but this time the market again turned around, so I turned around this time at 10 lots, recovered this loss with some profit. Now at this level, I thought to myself, looks like a short, so I got in short, and the price just started going up. So I looked at it again. I decided that this was a long So I got in long. I turned around long at 100 lots. Now this was pretty stressing for me because the price, as you see, the price started moving in the opposite direction. And basically at 100 lots, a loss of 30, 40 pips, that's pretty heavy, right? And this was almost 40 pips at a loss. But I was thinking to myself, okay, whatever. My stop loss was right here, you see, it never got touched, and the price actually reversed. Because I looked at it, I said, nah, that's impossible. I looked at M30, H4. I thought to myself, nah, that's gonna be a long. So, but again, I closed it right here when I had some profit, some good profit. And again, if I had let this run, that would be a pretty heavy gain right here. Even if I took only this many pips right here. Anyways. Now the market goes up. I'm thinking right here about a long, but I wait a little bit. I see this price action, and I decide to get in short. The stop loss was above there. Well, the market actually didn't want to go. Well, it did go down a bit, right? But I didn't want to close it. I wanted to wait. Then it retraced back up, and right here it started moving down again. It looked pretty nice, and perhaps I even should have closed it right there. But I said to myself, nah, this time I'm gonna wait. And and then the situation became pretty uncomfortable because the market almost stopped and started going back up, but it didn't reach my stop loss and started going down again. And here is the same kind of situation that I moved my stop loss to break even plus, and triggered the closing of the trade. And basically, even though the price did go further and did reach my take profit, this wasn't so far, like about 7 pips from take profit. And on the next candle, the price actually did go back, and I would have gotten just a few pips, right? 5 pips instead of 20, 23 and a half almost, right? So I don't know. Of course, yeah. I'm pretty much not satisfied that I'm making so many losses, but I'm recovering those losses. So basically, everything is okay, right? I know that I'm not trading ideally. I'm not trading the way that I teach, because the way that I teach would be pretty simple. It would be like this, right? So that's where the stop loss has to be. We need to find the kind of the break level. So the break level would have been right there, right? That's the break level. That would be the retest level right here. And yeah, and that's the retest level. That's where the price retests and then goes down. So basically, where I exited, that's where I should have been entering the trade right here. I should have been entering the trade right here, and then waiting for this. So basically, it's just because of my impatience. But yeah, if somebody is more patient, then imagine doing this in the proper way. So waiting it out and then entering at this level, for example, from a pending order, on the calculations as they should be. The profit would be much bigger. I can guarantee you. Anyways, yeah. Sorry, I can't guarantee anything. This is the market. If you if you either you can or you can't. There is no guarantees here. It's up to the trader. Yeah. So that's it for today. For the daily recap. Tomorrow is Friday. So like I said, tomorrow is the last day of the weekend, the last day of the month. So I'll be recording the videos tomorrow too, the daily recap video, and on Saturday I will be doing the weekly overview. And of course I post those videos on my YouTube channel, so please like, subscribe, and you hit the notification bell. Also, please join my Dadas Trading Room Discord server because I post my videos there too. And I also stream my screen live every day. So all of these trades that I've just been talking about, you could have seen live while I was taking them. So you can see that on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and the link is below in the descriptions. And that's absolutely free. So you are all invited. Please join in. Now, I also post my videos on my Forex Factory threads. There you just type in forexfactory.com/dadas and you'll find me. And I post them on my Patreon channel. So what is the Patreon for? Well, on Sundays I record more thorough and very long videos. They can last anything from 2 to 3, even 4 hours. I think one of them was even 4.5 hours long. So basically in those videos I talk about the Dadas trading system. I talk about my my tools that I use. I analyze different, not only the DAX 30, but also other instruments and other time frames, larger time frames, smaller time frames, right? And yeah. However, those videos are only available to my VIPs, and you can become a VIP on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server when you become my patron or support me directly through PayPal. Also, the links are below in the descriptions. You will get access to those videos on the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and you will also get lots and lots of other benefits like indicators, expert advisors, my support in programming in MQL4, for example, individual workshops live with you, one-on-one, of course, and you can even accumulate enough money for the whole system. So simply by monthly pledges. Okay, that's it for today. Well, I say a pretty good day. A lot of trading. I suspect that maybe tomorrow I won't be doing so much trading because I have a meeting tomorrow and something else. I don't know, but I'll see tomorrow. Anyways, keep safe, keep healthy, wash your hands, wear your masks, be careful, and see you next time. Bye.